Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure analytics events in Firebase for mobile step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Firebase console. Select your project from the dashboard. Navigate to the Analytics section in the left sidebar. Click on Events to access the Events dashboard. Select Log an Event to configure a new event. Fill in the required parameters for your event. Choose an appropriate event name that clearly describes its purpose. Decide whether to use a predefined event or create a custom one. If creating a custom event, follow the guidelines provided by Firebase. Add any relevant parameters that will help in understanding the event better. Click on Add Parameter to include extra details if needed. Review the event configuration to ensure all information is accurate. Select your desired debug mode to test the event. Click on Save to log your new event. Open the Firebase Analytics dashboard after saving your event. Look for your new event in the events list to confirm it's been logged. Use the Data Stream option to integrate your analytics with mobile applications. Integrate the Firebase SDK into your mobile application if not already done. Test the event by triggering it through your application. Monitor the analytics dashboard for real-time data to confirm tracking. Adjust the event configuration if necessary based on the insights gained. Repeat these steps for additional events as needed for your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.